things to know. Countries around the world. Today we're going to be learning about Ecuador. Ecuador is in the continent South America. The capital of Ecuador is Quito. The language people speak in Ecuador is Spanish. The currency of Ecuador is US dollars. Some famous people of Ecuador are Luis Antonio Valencia and Julian Assange. Some tourist attractions of Ecuador are the Galapagos Islands and Cotopaxi and Cajas National Parks. Some other tourist attractions are the Boardwalk of Guayaquil and Nacier del Diablo, the Devil's Nose. One famous food of Ecuador is the Ecuadorian potato pancakes. What is Ecuador famous for? Rich wildlife in its Amazonian rainforests. Its Galapagos Islands are a well-known UNESCO World Heritage Site. Ecuador's Mount Chimborazo is the highest point on the planet when measured from the Earth's core. The famous pyramids of Cochasqui. Ecuador is famous for its orchards, home to as many as 130 different varieties of hummingbirds, and it produces world-class cocoa. Now, it's time for the quiz. Could you guess the correct flag? You have 3 seconds. 2, 1. This flag is the correct one. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Bye!